Yes, today our topic is converse of Pythagoras theorem. The statement is theorem number क्या है? Theorem is 6.9. Okay, 6.9. Statement is statement to prove that in a triangle the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, yes. To prove that in a triangle the square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Okay. The side opposite to longest side is right angle. ये प्रूव करना ना. The side opposite to longest side is a right angle. The side opposite to first side.
Yes.
The side
Then the angle opposite. The angle, sir, angle would be 9.
क्या है?
The angle opposite in a right triangle, the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of.
क्या बोल रहे हो? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कहाँ से आ गया?
वही है sir. Then the square of other side is a right angle.
Then the opposite then the angle opposite to first side is right angle. Yes. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square is given. We have to prove that it is a right angle triangle. Okay. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Now given is it is a triangle. It is a triangle that is ABC. In triangle ABC, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw a right angle triangle. DEF. ये आपके पास 90 डिग्री. Yes. Draw a right angle triangle DEF such that angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Your AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF. angle triangle DEF.
Where angle E equals to
Triangle DEF such that angle E is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle E is equal to 90 degree. Angle E is equal to 90 degree. DE is equal to AB and EF is equal to BC. Okay. To prove that angle B is equal to 90 degree या ABC is a right angle triangle, हमें क्या करना है? To prove that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B को 90 degree prove करना है. ठीक है. अब की राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल DEF में आइए. कैन बी अप्लाई द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ऑन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल DEF?
yes yes yes
Prove. In right angle triangle
DEF
DEF, according to Pythagoras theorem दी गई. According to Pythagoras theorem दी गई. Yes. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Your hypotenuse is DF,
yes
DE and EF. DF,
EF whole square
DE and EF square. Okay. But DE किसके इक्वल है?
DE equals to
AB. DE is equal to AB and EF is equal to
BC
BC. Why?
by construction
By construction. Now we replace DE with AB and EF with BC. Okay. Now DF square DF replace DE with AB. AB square
plus BC square
EF is BC square. The equation first. But AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square given. But AC square is equal to AB square plus B. AC square AB square plus BC square given. अब ये साइड इक्वल थी, इसकी तो होगा नहीं होगा? है भाई?
सर लेकिन ये हम तो अभी कर रहे हैं ना, अभी तक तो कंस्ट्रक्शन का कर रहे थे और अभी फिर हम लोग जो ओरिजिनल फिगर है उसका पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई
ओरिजिनल फिगर पाइथागोरस लगा कहाँ लगाई मैंने?
सर जो आप
ओरिजिनल फिगर पे पाइथागोरस में लगाई नहीं मैंने.
हाँ बट लिखवाया ना
क्या लगवाया?
AC square
ये तो गिवन है. तो स्टेटमेंट एक गिवन है. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. सेकंड इक्वेशन गिवन है. अब आप देखिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में AB square plus BC square, सेकंड इक्वेशन में AB square plus BC square. If right hand side of both equation are equal, then left hand side of both equation also equal. Any doubt, any problems? Okay. Yes. Now from equation first and second we get. From equation first and second we get. What do you get? BF square is equal to AC square. Taking square root on both sides we get taking square root on both sides we get taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides we get
So but
df is equal to AC.
so why to take the square root? We can just cancel out the squares.
कैसे 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 हो जाएगा?
So ds square is equal to ac square is given.
ओके ऐसे कर सकते हैं स्क्वायर रूट ले लो तभी हो जाएगा. ओके df is equal to AC. df is equal to AC.
Sir, but ये समझ
क्या समझ में
ये समझ में आ रहा है स्क्वायर रूट.
ओके चलो स्क्वायर रूट लो या स्क्वायर से कैंसिल कर दो. ओके समझ में आ गया था. इट मींस आपके पास क्या है AB जो है DE के इक्वल है, BC क्या है EF के इक्वल और AC क्या है DF के इक्वल है कि नहीं है. देखिए यहाँ पे AB क्या है DE के इक्वल है, BC EF के इक्वल है और AC क्या है DF के इक्वल है. Both triangle are congruent. Both triangle are congruent and angle आपके पास क्या है एंगल E. एंगल E 90 डिग्री है. एंगल E जो है 90 डिग्री है तो एंगल B पे 90 डिग्री होगा. CP प्रूफ करना है. ये तो प्रूफ करना हमने. ठीक है. Have you done? Any problems? Yes, online student वैभव द्विवेदी, परदेशी, सुशांत, आकाश पाल, पंकज कुमार, अंकिता, रिंकी, मुन्नी कुमारी, yes, वर्तिका सिंह. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Have you done? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE. Why?
By construction.
BC is equal to EF
By construction.
by construction and AC is equal to DF.
Proved above.
By construction. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.
Hence angle B.
Why?
Therefore.
Yes. Side congruence criteria. Congruence. ओके. साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल. कॉन्ग्रुएंस होते ही क्या हुआ एंगल आपके पास क्या है B क्या है एंगल E के इक्वल हो चुका है.
Now angle B equals to angle
एंगल B is equal to एंगल E. CPCD. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. But angle E is equal to 90 degree. Why?
right angle triangle.
By construction. But angle E is equal to 90 degree by construction. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. As proved. Any doubt, any problems? What is the the difference between Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem? Any difference?
Sir,
Yes, Kasi, stand up. What is the difference between Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem?
so in Pythagoras theorem we didn't take the contradiction like but, not but, always, and like it was already given as a right angle triangle, and we had to prove that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square.
Yes.
But here,
Yes. And you are saying that in Pythagoras theorem right angle triangle is given. Yes.
yes, sir. So construction is also given.
Yes. That is ABC. Yes.
And
In which angle B is 90 degree?
yes, sir.
In Pythagoras theorem, angle B is 90 degree, and you have to prove that hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus a.
Square.
But in converse of Pythagoras theorem, what is the yes? Sit down. Yes, stand up.
Sir, in converse of Pythagoras theorem, we have proved that the angle is 90 degrees, so the triangle is right angle. Like angle must be 90 degree. Being a right angle, there should be 90 degree.
Repeat it.
Sir, in converse of Pythagoras theorem, the angle must be 90 degrees, so that only it would be right angle triangle.
What is given?
Only a Pythagoras theorem formula is given.
What is given?
Sir, hypotenuse square is
Yes. Hypotenuse square, yes.
perpendicular square
Yes. AB square,
plus base square,
yes.
and the statement is given, so we need to prove how it is a right angle triangle.
Yes, right angle triangle. We have to prove that it is right angle triangle. Clear? In Pythagoras theorem, right angle is given. We have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But in converse of Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square is given. We have to prove that it is a right angle triangle. And now any problems?
No, sir.
किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
Yes, Shivam Jadhav, stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is Pythagoras theorem?
Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle, AB square, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square.
In a Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle will be given. In a right angle triangle will be given. Okay, and you have to prove that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. In a Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in right angle triangle, not in other triangles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, just stand up. Aditya Singh. What is converse of Pythagoras theorem?
So in converse of Pythagoras theorem, we have to prove that we are given base perpendicular hypotenuse square plus is equals to base square plus perpendicular square.
Yes, you given.
And we have to prove that it is the right angle.
Okay. Yes, sit down. Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now exercise is 6.5. Okay. Exercise 6.5 totally based on Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Exercise 6.5. Question number first. Your side is given, that is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now, please check that first two shortest side. Shortest side. Yes.
The longest would be the hypotenuse.
Yes. Hypotenuse will be that if it is applicable, the converse of Pythagoras theorem. We can say it is hypotenuse. If converse of Pythagoras theorem is not proved, it is not a right angle triangle.
Yes.
Okay. If it is not a right angle triangle, then there will be no hypotenuse. Okay. Yes.
25.
First two shortest side 7 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Okay. 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. Check that it is equal or not.
It is
The square of 7
It
is
is
49 and square of 24 is 576 and square of 25 is 625. Okay,
And also sir, they are the triplets, so they must be
then 49 plus 576 is
625.
625. Okay,
So they are equal.
yes.
Sir,
It means it proves the converse of Pythagoras theorem.
yes sir.
If these are not equals, अगर equal नहीं होते तो
Then they are right angle. Then
Yes.
it would not be a right angle.
yes. The given sides proves the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. So given sides make a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong?
Yes sir.
Okay. So given sides of a triangle form a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle.
With hypotenuse 25.
Right angle triangle. And as you know that the longest side in a right angle triangle is hypotenuse.
Yes.
Okay. So length of hypotenuse is
25 centimeters.
length of hypotenuse. That is AC. Length of hypotenuse. This is what. Length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, if we learn the triplets, Pythagoras triplets.
Yes. ये triplets तो है.
हाँ सर, तो
Sit down.
मतलब तो डायरेक्ट आंसर हो
Exercise 6.5. Question number 6. Yes. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its sides. Equilateral triangles. ABC is an equilateral triangles. We have to find the side, each side of its altitude. That is 2A. That is also 2A. That is 2A.
So we need to find
Okay. Draw construction given. Given क्या इसमें?
So we need to find the
Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. Triangle in which side is 2A. Side is 2A. Okay. Construction. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. Construction. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. Okay. To find that. We have to find altitude AD. find altitude yes, first of all we make the congruence of two triangle ADB and triangle ADC. How can we make the two triangle ADB and ADC congruence?
Sir,
Congruence पाइथागोरस करते हैं.
no sir. Sir, right. Sir, we will take angle A equals to angle A common. Then
Sit down. Yes.
Since the altitude of an equilateral triangle bisects its base, so AD common and AB
Very
is equal to DC
very.
and AD. Sir, I just compare.
Yes.
Yes,
Sit
sir.
down. Simple सीधा सब दिखाई दे रहा है.
Sir, hypotenuse is equal to right side common.
Yes, sir.
ADB angle ADC is 90 degree. आपके पास AB is equal to AC given है, AD कॉमन है. ओके, सिंपल है. देखिए यहाँ पे इन ट्रायंगल सॉल्यूशन इन ट्रायंगल ADB एंड ट्रायंगल ADC एंगल ADB एंगल ADC is 90 degree. AB is equal to AC. Given AD common. AD common. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruence. Triangle ADB is congruence to triangle ADC. Why? RHS congruence rule.
Hence, BD is equal to CD.
Congruence rule. Therefore, क्या है? BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. Twice of A divided by 2. That is A. That is A.
Yes, sir.
That is A. In right angle triangle ADB, okay, hypotenuse is given, base is given, we have to find out the altitude. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the altitude. Okay. In right angle triangle ADB. In right angle triangle AB. In right angle triangle ADB.
Hypotenuse.
According to Pythagoras theorem, ठीक है. Hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. What is your hypotenuse? AB square.
AD.
AB.
Yes. AB square equals.
AD square plus BD square.
Yes.
Your AB is twice of A. AD square. BD is A square. Yes. That is 4A square. AD square. That is A square. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square.
3A.
3A square is equal to AD square.
AB is equal to root 3A.
Yes.
Sir, root 3 क्या है?
Yes.
Root 3A.
AD is root 3A square is equal to AD and root 3A. Root 3A.
Sir, root A.
3 by 2A होना चाहिए.
2 क्यों होगा सर? Why?
सर रूट 3a आएगा.
यही आएगा सर.
Root 3A. वो तब आता है जब साइड A होती है. साइन ए होते हैं ना जब आता है √3/2a।
यस सर।
हाँ।
सर लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 ही दिया है, इसलिए 2 कैंसिल हो गया।
यस